noodles, new cornflakes, my Shakaita ID.
ID. That ID.
Hi besties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Delight and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. I am a young lady based in Zimbabwe, in the rural part of Mashingo, Zimbabwe, and my content is centered around that. I'm currently unemployed and looking for a job, so my content is also going to center around that. If that's your type of vibe, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the family. We also do fashion content, we do cooking content here and there, so please join the family and become part of the besties. And to all my regular besties, the official besties, the ones who are always here every week, thank you so much for always choosing this platform. Thank you so much for always commenting, for always engaging. I love you all guys so much. So to my new besties, please don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to also hit the subscribe button to become a part of the family. I love you all. On this part of the vlog, we're on our way to church and we're almost there. So let me take you guys along as we go to church and show you what I was wearing. Check this. What's it?
Koma tobaya. Apa kundifilma. Inochinjwa nepi.
Iri kurekodera.
Iri kundifilma. Musinya maita black.
Seriously. Saka ndiende kuko. Iyo umira kusaidia.
Abari zwari up. You maybe you should face the sun.
Saka ndofana dayo iyo oenda uko. Saka chienda uko.
Chipapisha padiki. Ndwari ngachipapisha pa. Ndikutora chi video.
Subscribe ani no. Ndikubudere oti yacho.
Iri kubuda.
Kana mbota uri.
Muda kubuda mimi. Ndikutora landscape.
Stay with me, besties. So this is still the same day. This was after church. So we got home, made a quick brunch, and then we had to head out to accompany my sister. She was going back to Harare where she does a industrial attachment. So we rushing into town so that she could catch a bus to go back to Harare. So this is the part I just changed. I removed the dress that I was wearing to church, the jacket and the shoes, and just wore jeans, sneakers, and a different jacket. But this is actually still the same day. It was still Sunday after church. So to be surprised and be like, okay, what's going on? This person was wearing just dress, and then now they're changing into different clothes. They're now back in the car and stuff. So it is still the same day, just different outfits and going to a different place. Bestie, so when we got to town, we found out that the bus had left about 10 minutes earlier. So we had to chase after the bus because this was the last bus from this Kamali. And yeah, we had to chase the bus along the Harare Mashungo Road. And we were fortunate enough to catch the bus just after Gokomere, which is around 16 to 20 kilometers from Mashingo CBD. So that's where we managed to catch the bus. It was not moving that fast because in our heads we're thinking that we're going to catch the bus and Mshagashi at the toll gate, but then we managed to catch it before it even got to the toll gate. And then now making our way back. So this is Gokomere Mission. This is where I attended school. The school is actually about 2 kilometers from the highway. It's very close to the highway. So this is the area where I attended school. So we are now getting back into town after dropping off my sister at the bus. And the driver was kind enough to stop. We just flashed him and then he managed to stop and she boarded the bus and made her way to Harare. if you didn't know besties, now you know this is actually my favorite place because of Creamy Inn. I love ice cream so much, so this is always a good idea to bring here. We stopped here for some ice cream and some milkshake. So yeah, this is the stop that we made before heading home. Pagwe tiri kufambira pasida. Maona ipi mama? Tiri kuda malofazi. Thank you so much for watching this. See you on the next one.